Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about the secrets you don't know about LATEEF ADEDIMEJI and his wife. Before we continue, what we do here is, we bring to you trending news that concerns the Nollywood industry. LATEEF ADEDIMEJI and BIMPE, a beloved Nollywood couple, have captured the hearts of fans with their unique love story and professional achievements. Here are some intriguing details about them. Love journey. Initially, BIMPE was hesitant to date LATEEF due to fears of industry gossip and societal pressures. However, LATEEF's openness and honesty about his life and past helped ease her concerns, ultimately leading to their marriage in December 2021. Collaborative success. The duo has a strong professional partnership. BIMPE has produced over 20 movies, including collaborations with LATEEF, such as the biopic Lishabi. LATEEF's skills as an actor and producer complement BIMPE's prowess as a filmmaker. Backgrounds and inspiration. BIMPE credits her storytelling skills to her father, a renowned historian, which influenced her career in film. LATEEF, on the other hand, has carved a niche for himself in Nollywood by excelling in complex roles and recently gained recognition with a Netflix production. Supportive relationship. BIMPE has spoken openly about how her husband involves her in major decisions, both in life and career, which has helped them navigate the challenges of being in the public eye. Their story not only inspires fans of their work but also showcases a blend of love, resilience, and creativity in the entertainment industry. This is all we have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel before you and comment your thought below.